Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
This is another 1 minute motivation from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, coming direct to your good self. Now, can we talk about getting you back on track? Is it time for a career change, or do you just want to sharpen up some of those skills? Send me a text message on 07801 543 515. We can book your free 30-minute call, or you know the address, ldlcall.com. Book your slot and let's talk soon. But first, here is today's quote. Stop dreaming, start doing. Just how many dreams you have right now? All those hopes and dreams you have in your life. What are you finally going to do with them all? How about starting to do something about just one of them? Imagine starting to work towards making any one of those dreams an actual reality. Imagine the possibilities you can make and they come true. Start today to see what's possible to make you a better tomorrow.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.